Hello, Robert Lesko, inventor of the Lesko multi-rule, on sale at reverb.com. Just a quick tip on fretboard cleaning and hydration. You'll see a lot of things, lemon oil, other concoctions. One thing to note, that lemon oil will break down and it does affect the glues. Takes quite a while. Might not be in your lifetime, but it might, depending on the glue and who built it. I use butcher's block oil. You can get it at any grocery store. And a toothbrush. So I just put a little oil on the toothbrush and find a section, and I just work it in. Side note, it's a soft bristle brush. Yeah. And just keep going, work it in, take your time. This is a very old guitar, and I'm not sure when it was cleaned or anything was done to it. I'm just going to do a couple here. It's a 24 fret neck. Nobody wants to sit through this for 24 minutes. So what I do is just kind of lightly go, and the oil really does help bring out the gunk. By gunk, I mean dirt, dead skin, whatever can happen to a guitar neck. And if you can think of it, it's probably happened. So that part's done. Yeah, you might have to go over it a couple of times, depending. And I usually like to let it sit and soak for about 5-10 minutes, but I'm not going to do that for this video because I'm sure everybody has better things to do. Let's take a clean paper towel. You can see some of the gunk coming off. Get the side of the frets real nice. And that's it. Hopefully you can see. Looks much better. Robert Lesko, inventor of the Lesko multi-rule, on sale at reverb.com. Wishing everybody a great day.